Hello people, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we look at the explosion-proof firefighter robot and 4 more inventions. Number 1. Explosion-proof firefighter robot. This firefighting robot is by Weez Technology. It has a climbing ability and works in all terrains. It can be remotely controlled up to 3 kilometers in line of sight and 500 meters when there is an obstruction. It shoots water the length of an 85-meter football field and is also fitted with heat eye detection, which monitors and tracks the heat source through the infrared thermal imaging. Number 2. Zip-on bicycle tires. Change cycle tire threads as easy as closing your jacket. The Retire zip-on tires will equip you for all terrains, including commuting and off-road bike adventures. It lets you swap out tire threads for the terrain to give you a better tire grip in a minute or less. Simply put them on or off using the zipper system. Number 3. Truck dumper. This is a drive-through dumper that can lift 90-ton trucks. Built by the bulk materials handling company Brooks, the truck dumper unloads 7 to 8 truckloads every hour. It unloads large volumes of trucks safely and efficiently, while boosting throughput with minimum manpower. The robust Swedish design is already used worldwide for handling a variety of applications and materials. The full lift and lower cycle is done in about 3.5 minutes, and it has a life expectancy of 2 million cycles or 25 years. Number 4. Portable grab bar. This support bar helps you grip better in the bathroom. The Mobili system by Roth gives a practical assistance to the elderly and disabled for a barrier-free bathing. The mobile grips are quickly and comfortably attached. Just press the suction pads onto a non-porous surface. Push down the rocker arm and you're ready to grip it. This portable grab bar is a must for any bathroom. Number 5. Robotic exoskeleton. This is a robotic suit for wheelchair users, allowing them to walk on their feet. It's a hands-free robotic exoskeleton called Rex that's controlled using a joystick. Designed for those using wheelchairs, Rex is easy to learn and use. It can be used for everyday chores or used for physio and rehabilitation. Let me know in the comments which technology you like the most, and give a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video.